Damn it, I'm mad. What is going on, you all? Thank you for clicking in for today's video. My name is Jerry, representing the channel GF Physique.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.
I hope everybody is having an awesome day. What I'm gonna show you today is a short unboxing and review of my new microphone. I will put the name up here of the microphone.
Oh, yeah.
So basically I just received it in the post. I have it right here in front of me. I will do an unboxing and a short review. I will show you my thoughts on the microphone, my first impression on the microphone, and also I have a question for you guys. Basically I'm looking at new cameras right now. What I'm using right now is Sony Alpha 5100. It's a good camera, but it doesn't have an external mic input. So please help me out, guys. Which camera you recommend with flip screen and external microphone input? So comment down below and give me some tips. You can bomb me. Alright, let's teleport back to the kitchen. Oh shit, wrong place. Yes, we are back in the kitchen. Wait, let me put this up. So here's the package. It came like this. I will just open up this plastic and show you guys what is inside. Damn it, I'm mad. Whoppa, there it is. This is gonna be the new microphone, Boya MM1. Basically, this microphone is a copy of the Rode microphone Mini or Go, or what the name is. So it's a small size microphone with a dead cat on it, which protects when you are filming outside. Let's open this up. Paper and the microphone itself. Check this out. This small thing, the cable for the microphone, another cable, I think, yeah, it's for smartphones. I will actually, damn it, I'm mad. After the unboxing, I will actually do a review of the microphone. I will test it out. I will plug it into my iPhone, which is back there. I will plug it into my iPhone and show you guys the difference between the audio with the normal iPhone and with this microphone plugged in.
Round one, fight!
So what else? Also a bag with Boya written on it, and let's see the microphone itself. Oh, it feels so nice. Try to pull it off. Oh. So this is the microphone itself, which comes into this holder. Fuck. Why is it so hard? Why is it so ah, man. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's try it again. Fuck. Man. I don't want to break it though. Opa, there it is. So this is how it looks like. It looks actually like the Rode mic. And here comes the dead cat on. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, so now it's time for a test. The sound without the microphone. So basically This is the normal sound of an iPhone holding this close to the microphone. I don't know how it sounds like. It's a normal iPhone 6. That is what I'm using. And now I will try out with the microphone, the Boya microphone, plugged in to my iPhone. Let's see. Alright, so the microphone is plugged in. I'm holding it this close to my mouth. I am hoping that it has a better quality on the sound. Tell me guys in the comment section down below what you think about the difference between the microphone and with an original iPhone 6 microphone, if you can hear any difference. And also don't forget to comment which camera I should get, because I really want to get a camera with external audio input, but I really don't know which one to get and which one is the best. So please comment down below what you think. This was the review of the new microphone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, put a thumbs up, comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. New vlog is coming up probably this weekend. I'm traveling to another city, so stay tuned for more videos and have an awesome day guys. Peace out. Damn it, I'm mad.